Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we're gonna talk about navbar and navbar animation with the help of hover and keyframes. Okay, let's start from the index.html. We first of all create the header. In this header we create the container div with the name of container and navbar elements, which is h1 and ul li elements. First of all, we gives margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box for the full screen, and for HTML for the full screen, which for every element we gives font size 10 pixels. For body overflow X hidden is only the area inside the element is shown, the rest will be hidden. For all A we gives text decoration none. It removes the bottom line. Color it is the white and gray. For the header we gives width 100%, height 100 VH. Background for the header will be the URL, which position will be center and no repeat. Background size cover full for the full screen. It is our header. For the container we gives width 90%, margin. The first mean is the for top and bottom. The second is the for left and right. Max width will be 120 rem. For the nav we give padding top 5 rems. Display flex for the lining elements in this nav. Justify content space between it will gives for the h1 and our nav elements between space. Text transform uppercase for all text we gives uppercase, font size 2 rem. For the brand it is our h1, we gives font size 3 rems. Transform translate x minus 100 rem. It is before animation. It brought at minus 100 rem from the left. Animation slide in 0.5 second forwards. It's for the animation. And brand span it is our color crimson. Brand span it is this element A. And this next is nav ul display flex for the lining elements in these nav and ul elements. For the nav ul li elements, list style none, removes dots, and translate x for the x 100 rem. Before animation is brought at 100 from the right. And for the animation slide in 0.5 seconds forwards. For nav A elements we give padding 1 rem and 0. The first mean is the for top and bottom. The second mean is for the left hand side. It is the same, but it's margin. Position relative and letter spacing 2 pixels. Its space between letters will be 2 pixels. For the li, the first child, it's home. It will animation for define the late time before the start of the animation. Time will be 0.3 seconds. The same things for the first element. For the nav ul li, last child is services. For services we gives margin right 0 because in the right of this element nothing. For the now you will ally a before and after, it is our lines in the top and in the bottom, these lines. Position absolute width will be 100%, height will be 2 pixels, background color crimson, left 0, and transform scales x 0 until you hover, display will none. Transition all 0.5 seconds. For our line in the top, we will give top 0, transform origin left, line in top comes from the left. It's for same, but for the line in the bottom, transform origin right, it will be line in the bottom comes from the right and bottom will be 0. For before and after, transform scale x1, it will when you hover the cursor appears line. Keyframe slide in. For the animation, it will translate x0. Okay, I will show you how it works. Brand comes from the left and navbar animation comes from the right, and it is our before and after, and that's all. Animation CSS with the navbar with the help of hover and keyframes. It is for our words in the center, text align center, all text will be in the center. Justify content center, it's for the items we can change their places. For x-axis, font size will be 5 rem, margin top 10 rems. Saying span, it is our CSS word, where color will be crimson, and full for div sayings for all p and strong will be color E. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.